uh, we're gonna need two things. The first one obviously is the stand blueprint. It's gonna be an actor. So stand. Yeah, it does. I think you can lock some access. I'm not sure though. Have to do some tinkering with the look at node. I'm gonna show you the node later. So, and this is gonna be an animation blueprint for the mannequin skeleton. It's gonna be called wizard anim BP. So I'm gonna leave this guy for now and focus on the stand. We're gonna have a static match for. I'm gonna try to mimic your setup. So this is the stand. I'm gonna use the cube 1M mesh. And add the skeletal mesh for the wizard. We don't want to make it attached to the stand. We want to make it a sibling of the stand. I'm gonna use the mannequin and scale it down to like 0.5 to the side. And place it on top of the cube. In the event graph, delete this stuff. Gonna set, like you did with yours, gonna set the rotation of the wizard. I'll do it backwards just because it's funnier that way. Inter 2 is going to be get world rotation wizard. This is going to be a combine rotators. This is the offset thing I mentioned. I remember the name wrong. It's combine rotators. So you can use this to offset. The other time is going to be get rot delta seconds. And top speed, it's going to be 3. I'm going to set this one to minus 90 for reasons. I'm going to split this pin and I'm going to get the wizard. Get its word location. And get the look. And then get look. Come on. Look at, find look at rotation. It's not get, it's fine. And this is gonna be the get player form. And get actor location. Split this pin and fit that into the yaw. So this is gonna be the rotation. Let's see if it works. It's not gonna work because I didn't place the blueprint in the level. Lol. So okay, let's play this. So yeah, the body is already tracking the player. Now for the head, looking at the player, that's gonna be very complicated. So I'm gonna create a new variable called target location of type vector, and we're gonna set this to the same thing that we got here, which is the actor location of the player pawn. And that's it for the blueprint. So, oops. Now we're gonna go to the NMBP. In the event graph, we're gonna get owning actor, cast to stand. No, which one? Yeah, I'll never figure out. So let me rename this. It's gonna be stand string. So yeah, I got the wrong one. So we cast to stand string. And we're gonna get the target location. Get target location. Promote this to a variable. Target location as well. Like this. Oops, sorry. Move over to the Anim graph. Oops. My mouse is very sensitive sometimes. And we're gonna add a look at. Set the bone to head. Connect this to the result. It's gonna do a component to local transformation. And we're gonna expose the location as a pin and set it to the variable we just created. Compile. Let's set this to a sensible default, like 800 on the z-axis and 200 on the y-axis. So yeah. And that's it. Let me get this a little bit bigger. So yeah, I think the head's tracking. Is it? No, I don't think it is. Did I miss something? No, it is working there. Yeah, it's working. So, oh, I know. I forgot to set. Oh, for fuck's sake! I forgot to set the NMBP here. So it's gonna be wizard NMBP, compile, save, and play. Now it's tracking. So yeah, it's tracking on all axes. Let me see if we can lock some of the axes. So select this. Here's lookup axis. So yeah, I think, yeah, if we, oh no, this just breaks it. Yeah. For some reason, if we check this box, it locks into uh, the same plane, so only works for X and Y, doesn't track Z. You may want that. If you don't, just uncheck that box. So yeah, now it doesn't look up. Just so yeah, that's it. I think I like it better when it tracks the jump.